Welcome back to Dimension Trader. My name is John T. This channel is to dedicate help the trader like you to improve your trading skill in 7 days. Subscribe, like, and share if you learned something today. Let's begin. Today is day 1. We are going to understand the trading style. It's going to be scalping, mid-term, or short-term. And today we are going to pull a couple stock pip as our example and explanation. What kind of trading style is your trading characteristic? Are you short-term, mid-term, or long-term? How can we tell the difference? First of all, of course, it's going to be how much money you are willing to risk and how long are you going to keep the trade position open. Today, we found a stock ticket IONQ. The setup is formed in 15 minutes. And the 15 minutes normally give us a very short term of the holding plus a very short term of the risk. As the example of this trading stock, entry point will be A73, stop will be A48. So it's less than 30 cents. With the 30 cents, if we open right here, our expecting target should be around on the top of 1021 right here. As the dimension trade price cycle, this is going to be the dimension 2 area, which means we have the top, bottom, continuation going up, resistance formed, and we are going to hit in dimension 4 from dimension 2 pricing retesting the support line. And the trading setup is on the 15 minutes, so we are expecting this trade should closing within a day or two. It's going to be the short term. It's not going to be the scalping setup as a 5 minute, but we can use in the same concept to find a 5 minute setup. So today we are going to understand how long are you going to hold this trade. Are you willing to hold this trade for a day or two? Or you're going to hold this trade for 3 or 4 days. The longer time you are holding this position, the longer your risk and reward is going to be. So it depends on your risk tolerance. Today we are picking the IONQ. This is a good trading setup in 15 minutes. Okay, let's go take a really quick review what we saw today's pickup. Also, on the FLNC, the trading setup is not clear yet. Even we have the uptrend line, but we don't have any candle confirm this one. So this is going to be our watch list. We are not going to do anything on this one till we see a clear reversal happen in the trend and the support area. Okay, but today we are going to focus on the trading style. It's going to be long-term, mid-term, or short-term. Which time frame is your setup found? According to our continuation setup, we found the IONQ on the 15th, but we don't have anything on the FLNC. The next one we pick will be CPSH. The setup is forming in 15 minutes. We have uptrend, support being retested, and we are expecting the uptrend trend line as our pricing target, which is around $1.88. But this trade is only 1 to 2. winner ratio. So we are going to observe or skip this one. It's not in our favor as more than 1, 2, 3. So we will going to be observation on this pick. If you want to take a 1, 2, 2 ROI, feel free to welcome because this is happening in 15 minutes. So also we are expecting this trade can close in shorter than a day or two. As the short term, this is a very good example if you cannot hold a long risk and you want to close the position right away. This is a good position you can consider to open. And this channel is not teaching you how to learn the setup we are having, but give you an idea of the position we are at right now and how can you apply the knowledge you have and customize your own trading plan. But in the following day, we are going to review more how are you going to improve your trading skill by identifying your trading style, trading type, and your trading vision, which is your trading plan. Also, on the other 3 days, we will going to help you to identify your goal, backtesting, and live trade, and also the emotional recovery skill. So those are the very important key to become a consistent profit trader. So on the day one, mid-term, short-term, or long-term, identify your trading type first. Then we'll moving to the next one. We will see you again soon. Bye bye.